Morning, everybody. It's DJ Envy, Angela Yee, Charlamagne the Guy. We are the Breakfast Club. Let's get some front page news.
All right, well, protests erupted outside of the Supreme Court after the Roe v. Wade opinion has leaked. It's a leak of a draft of the Supreme Court opinion overturning the landmark Roe v. Wade decision. And so if enacted, it would end a woman's constitutional right to an abortion. That right has existed for nearly 50 years. Here are the protests outside of the Supreme Court. They're saying abortion is health care, by the way. So what that Supreme Court decision is saying is that Roe and Casey must be overruled. It's time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives. Justices can and sometimes do, though, change their votes as draft opinions circulate, and major decisions can be subject to multiple drafts and vote trading. So there's a possibility that people could change their mind before this happens, but this has been since February. And this is the first time in modern history that we have seen what a draft decision is publicly while a case is still pending. So,
I mean, they've been talking about this for a long time now. That's why I kept telling y'all at the end of the day, the appointment of, Ketanji Brown Jackson was great. It's an amazing accomplishment. It's historic, but it's still a 6-3 conservative majority in the Supreme Court.
Now, this means that abortion would immediately become illegal in at least 13 states if the Supreme Court overturns Roe versus Wade. So, again, taking away our rights to a decision on what to do with our families. And all that's going to mean is that people who have money will have more access to get the services that they need. People who don't will have more struggles trying to get that done, because history has shown us that if you are backed into the corner and you have to make a decision on what to do.
I just don't understand how everybody saw this coming. My dumb ass saw this coming. And, President Biden has vowed to protect abortion rights. That's something he campaigned on, but clearly he hasn't. I wonder why.
Now, this means that Republican states, though, if I'm not mistaken, right, obviously right away they're going to restrict or ban abortion.
Oh, a bunch of them already have been.
But it's a state-by-state process, so some states will still be able to make the decision. And you'll just have to travel to those states. Yeah,
but a bunch of the red states already have been rolling back abortion rights. I've been talking about this.
Yeah,
and
they have been.
It's just crazy that, Dems have the power right now to protect abortion rights. They have the majority in Congress and they have the White House. They should be in D.C. right now voting to codify Roe versus Wade and talking about getting rid of the filibuster so they can properly govern to protect these kind of which should be basic rights.
Now, Bernie Sanders tweeted out, Congress must pass legislation that codifies Roe versus Wade as the law of the land in this country now. And if there aren't 60 votes in the Senate to do it, and there are not, we must end the filibuster to pass it with 50 votes.
You know what? Let me shut my dumb ass up. I don't know nothing.
All right. Well, that is your front page news.
Just been saying this for months.
Yeah, a long time.